Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadget. Today's video about Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. In September 2021, Samsung released the Galaxy M52 5G smartphone. The phone has a 6.70-inch touchscreen display with a 1080 x 2400 pixel resolution and a 29 aspect ratio. A 1.8 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor powers the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. It has a total of 6 GB of RAM. The Samsung Galaxy M52 5G is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and runs Android 11. The Samsung Galaxy M52 5G features Samsung's own rapid charging technology. The Samsung Galaxy M52 5G has a triple camera configuration on the back, with a 64-megapixel primary camera with an f1.8 aperture, a 12-megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture, and a 5-megapixel camera. The Samsung Galaxy M52 5G runs One UI 3.1 and is powered by Android 11. It has 128 GB of internal storage that can be increased with a microSD card up to 1000 GB. The Samsung Galaxy M52 5G is a dual SIM, GSM, and GSM phone with nano SIM and nano SIM card slots. The Samsung Galaxy M52 5G weighs 173.00 grams and measures 164.20 x 76.40 x 7.40 millimeters. Height x width x thickness. It came in 3 colors: black, blue, and white. Wi-Fi 802.11, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G, and 4G are all available on the Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. With support for band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor.